large human population is exerting tremendous pressure on our natural resources.
With increase in population and great advancement of technology in the recent past, waste materials have increased in amount and as well as in time. And this has resulted to the contamination of the environment.
Today, almost every aspect of modern living possess potential health risks. Natural resources like air, water, land, and etc. are getting contaminated with toxic substances or chemical additives.
Now, let us focus more on our problem about the air pollution. There is so much undesirable change in the biological, chemical, and physical aspect in our environment. And this harms so much not only the humans, but even the other living organisms, and as well as our cultural assets. Let us discuss further the pollutants that is mainly the cause of air pollution. This includes particulates dust from smoke and fly ash, even the carbon monoxide, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, hydrogen oxides, hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen sulfide, chlorine, asbestos, and lastly, the hydrocarbons.
To be more aware of this phenomenal issue, let us discover the causes of this environmental problem. The first one are the human activities, which include industrialization, automobile emissions, overpopulation, deforestation, nuclear explosion and explosives used in wars, fireworks, thermal power stations, burning of fossil fuels, agricultural activities, exhaust from factories and industries, mining operations, and indoor air pollution. Another cause is the natural phenomena. This includes volcanic eruptions, electric storms and solar flares which produce harmful chemicals, forest fires, natural organic and inorganic decays, dust storms, and biological elements like pollen, spores, cysts, bacteria, and marsh gas.
With all these causes, we can clearly see the effect both in human and in our environment. This can be irritation to the eyes, nose, and throat, upper respiratory infections. Sometimes it may also cause headache, nausea, and allergic reactions, asthma and emphysema, chronic respiratory diseases, even lung cancer and heart diseases, and it may also lead to the damage of the brain, nerves, liver, or kidneys.
Eutrophication, haze, wildlife, ozone depletion, crop and forest damage, and lastly, global climate change.
But despite of all the problems that we face today, we can still make an effort to help and make clean the air. Let us start informing and implementing a carpool. Carpool will help reduce the number of cars, thereby preventing air pollution by cutting down the use of fossil fuels. Next is the vehicle care. timely servicing of the car helps to keep it in a good condition and also minimizes fuel exhaust. Driving the car at an average speed and turning off in traffic are the thumb rules to save fuels. Make sure to use unleaded petrol and opt for regular pollution checking of your car.
Whenever possible, let us also try to travel by public transport. This will help us in two ways. First, it prevents air pollution, and second, it increases public income. For example, if you are going to a nearby place, you can just go by walking or use a bicycle instead of using your vehicle. Another effective way to prevent air pollution is to use alternative energy sources such as solar energy, hydroelectric energy, and wind energy. Nowadays, sophisticated technologies such as wind turbine, solar water heaters are introduced to generate electricity and other energy forms for household uses. Saving energy will also, of course, help to prevent air pollution. Switch off the lights, fans, air conditioners, television, and other appliances when not in use. You can also share a room with others when the air conditioner or fan is on, instead of switching them on in every room.
Always try to minimize smoke emission, as it contributes a lot to air pollution. One way is to compost dried leaves and kitchen waste. Instead of burning them, composting will also give you organic fertilizer for your garden. Other tips include replacing old wood stoves or gas furnaces, avoiding solvents, and most importantly, do not smoke in the home. Recycling is a simple approach to reduce pollution. In two ways: save energy, which is required for disposing, and minimize the pollutants released during manufacturing. The list of recyclable materials include plastic bottles, aluminum cans and utensils, paper, scrap paper, cardboard, and glass bottles. Lastly, always remember to carry paper bags and minimize using plastic bags. While buying the products, always choose air-friendly and recyclable products that will minimize the emission of pollutants.